Hi everybody, Chris from Westward Vehicles here, and I'm really proud to show you guys this brand new demo that we have going out to a new dealer. They ordered a really nice, well-built, fully loaded vehicle here. 15 kilowatt battery, so that's about an 80-mile range pack. Heating, air conditioning, even four-wheel drive. Additionally, they added the wide fender kit, so you'll see some pretty wide tires, aggressive looking fenders on here. We got 195 on-road radials, and you can also order that in an off-road knobby. Just walking around the vehicle, you'll see enclosed cab, again full HVAC, plywood deck with a dump bed and tow hitch. Tons of traction with the dual motor four-wheel drive. Assembly. This has the upgraded payload suspension. You'll see really beefy springs and that torsion sway bar. And then again, this has the 72 volt, 15 kilowatt system. And then quickly up front here, always on all our Maxes, to pop the hood, you simply turn the latch like that. And then in here we got the condenser, compressor, the dual motor, so another motor and differential at the front. Again, full HVAC system, and a hell of a lot of traction with minimal impact on range. Excited to get more fleets knowing about our Max EV. Thank you. Till next time.